Okay, I'm at Hunt Camp in Perry, Florida. This is the road and there's the entrance. This is going to be a little video walkthrough of the area. I'll try and make it quick. It's a lot of ground to cover. It's about 60 yards to get out to the first deer stand. And anyways, and the feeder. So we've cleared all these little fields and stuff and planted them in grasses. There's George's stand. And here's the feeder. This was the one that had the 8-foot bear. On this thing right here, we had a bear that was 8 feet tall. It came right up to the bottom of the feeder and ripped it up. But built a longer, stronger feeder. And anyways, that was the end of the bear problem so far. It's been bear resistant. So, I've got a trail running through here, gets to the other side of the creek. And here's the creek. It's dried up now, but in the wet season, it can get up to about, at least up to my knees, maybe a little further. Right where I'm standing, this would be up to my knees. Wet season. But here we are, winter time, and it's dry. And this is a game trail. You can see how well it's traveled. A game trail going off into there, and there's one going through there and across the way as well. Let's see if I can, hopefully this isn't too jittery of a movie. Only 2 minutes into it. All right, here's a tower that we put in that you can hunt off of. You can put a pop-up on there if you want. Here's another feeder. And up there is a tree stand. And that's Ian's tree stand. I owe him for that. And we're gonna go to my tree stand where the game cam was, and there's a lot of pictures of deer, buck, raccoons, squirrels, rabbits, possums, bears. Okay, my property's triangular shaped, and this trail here that we've cut goes all the way out to one of the points of the property. And then this clearing right here was made by the deer. We found it. That's exactly how we found this clearing, and the deer were resting up underneath it almost every night. So kind of interesting. Anyways, we cut these trails through here with the tractor. There's a little split off over here going to yet another clearing. And now we're at where I usually hunt out of is up here, and there's my feeder, and I used to have my game cam right here on this tree facing the feeder. So, and then I had a bear come and do this to this poor little pine. He just bent it over. I guess he got mad, couldn't get any of the corn. He bent this tree over, and it's managed to stay alive, but it's pretty twisted up. I got trails going off in various directions here. I'm not gonna follow them. I'm gonna try to keep this short. We're at what, five minutes already. Let me try and keep this video under 10. All right, this is a food plot. We planted a bunch of grasses out here for all the deer, and we put corn in. Oh, look at that. That's scat. That's bear scat right there. And oh, geez. So if you know your shit, deer scat looks like little balls, sort of like a goat. Oh, look at this. Here's some more bear scat. And that's a bear. Does a bear shit in the woods? Yes. There's video proof of it. And raccoons kind of looks like a little dog poop. So I'm gonna move my deer stand. I'm gonna be moving it over here into this clearing. So like the box stand, move it in here, and then there's yet another feeder on the other side of this food plot. And you can see George's stand right there. It's another feeder, and it's still shooting out corn like mine was. So the deer come out here, and all the animals come out here and eat smorgasbord. Now this trail here leads to the well that we dug, and it loops around the perimeter of property and goes all the way to the other road. And we've got some other areas out there for stands. Let me get through here. How many minutes? We're at 6:45. All right, so I'm coming through this trail from George's stand. I'll walk back through here. This is a part of the creek, and I'm walking through it, and there's my stand over here. And I think right now there's nothing but raccoons in there. Who knows? This pipe is the P pipe. Up top of this pipe is a funnel. And anybody in there? Nope. Guess not. And no raccoons. Anyways, and here's a feeder over here. And that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna cut it short here because I know there's a lot, and you guys have already seen enough, probably bored already. Nick out. Okay, this is a video tour of the hunt camp, Perry, Florida. You're gonna mess me up.